xorkee is a secure platform that protects your digital identity, giving you convenience and control in your everyday digital transactions. If you have xorkee app on your mobile phone, and if you need to change or reset your device for any reason, this video will show you how to transfer your xorkee handle from your old phone to your new one. Your identity stays protected and you remain fully in control throughout the process. Open the xorkee app on your old phone. From the menu, tap Change Phone. Authenticate using your PIN or biometrics to initiate the process. xorkee guides you through the phone change process before you continue. Now install the xorkee app on your new phone from the App Store or Play Store. Once installed, a welcome screen will appear. Select Phone as the registration mode. Enter your existing or current xorkee handle and tap Register. Then authenticate using your biometric or PIN. xorkee completes the handle registration on the new device and displays a key ID. Return to your old phone and tap Proceed. xorkee displays an approval notification with the key ID. Compare the key IDs shown on both devices. If the key IDs match, tap Approve and authenticate using your biometric or PIN. That's it. Your xorkee handle is now transferred to your new phone and the handle on your old phone is automatically deleted. You are now ready to use xorkee on your new phone.